Hi there, my name is Kieran Mason. I've been bartending around Birmingham for roughly 6 years. Today I'm going to be making a drink called Coffee and Cigars using my favourite Spirits of Anarchy product, Gatos Tequila Mocha. Now Gatos Tequila Mocha has got a soft taste of coffee and chocolate, light notes of vanilla and agave honey to give that sweetness at the end. Now this drink is going to be a throw, and I'm just going to start off with the Gatos Tequila Mocha using 10 ml. Then I'm using Tonka bean liqueur, that's going to be 10 ml again. $10 ml of triple syrup. $20 ml of J. Perique Tobacco Liqueur. And then 20 ml of Cabron Añejo Mezcal. And 2 dashes of chocolate bitters. The glass for this drink is going to be a goblet with a black ice, and we're just going to throw the cocktail. For the garnish, we're going to take a goblet lid and add some flavoured smoke in there. This is your coffee and cigars. For any more recipes, visit spiritsofanarchy.com. I've been Kieran, thank you for watching.